FloPlast's underground drainage system, with its patented flexible inlet inspection chamber and bend, reduces fitting time and can even save on materials. Compatible with all plastic systems, it's simple to install, even for a complete novice. Dig your trench to the British standards and building regulations. To ensure the pipe is supported correctly, drop in pea shingle to form the pipe bed. Plan out where all the major fittings will sit. Ensure the inspection chamber is aligned so that the flow of water is maintained through the main channel to minimize any potential blockages. FloPlast inspection chambers have unique 10-degree flexible joints, which makes fitting quicker and easier. If fitting to a vertical soil and ventilation pipe, it's important to place a solid support under the long radius rest bend. Measure and cut the length of pipe that joins the rest bend to the first inspection chamber. Ensure all cut lengths of pipe are chamfered to roughly a 45-degree angle. Join the first piece of pipe using a spray or gel silicone lubricant on the seal to ease fitting. Repeat the previous procedure for all the remaining fittings. Traps, bottle gullies and other available fittings can be added to the system. Soil and ventilation pipes connect straight into the long radius bend. Rainwater downpipes connect to the system via a universal rainwater adapter. Mini access chambers can be added up to a maximum height of 600 mm. Large inspection chambers can be up to 1 meter in height with the standard 450 mm frame and lid, and up to 3 meters using a 350 mm reduced access frame and lid. To complete the installation of inspection chambers, add risers to the required depth. Backfill with pea shingle up to the crown of the pipework, and then backfill using the dugout soil. A wide range of fittings are available. For more product info, visit www.floplast.co.uk.